Big news coming in from Afghanistan. Mullah Baradar, the head of the Taliban's political office, will now lead the government in Afghanistan. At least 3 sources in the Islamist group have now confirmed and said that Mullah Muhammad Yaqub, the son of the late Taliban founder Mullah Omar, and Sher Mohammad Abbas Tankizai will be taking senior positions in the government. Sources have said to India Today and have confirmed. Remember, this is big news because today Afghanistan is likely to be announcing its government and a Taliban government in Afghanistan after the US troops have now withdrawn from the country. Let's go across to Ashraf Wani from Srinagar. Ashraf had also, remember, travelled and reported from Afghanistan in the past few weeks. Ashraf, take us through these names because while we are waiting for an official confirmation as well, your sources are confirming that Mullah Baradar, the head of the Taliban's political office, will be leading the new Taliban government in Afghanistan.
Pooja, absolutely. This was the name which was always at the top in the political bureau of the Taliban, and Mullah Baradar is the only leader in the Taliban who was earlier also in the negotiations with Americans, with other political leaders in Qatar for almost 2-3 years, and then finally he returned to Kabul, Afghanistan, where now he is expected to lead the new government of Taliban here in the Afghanistan. But one thing is clear, what our viewers should understand, that basically the supreme leader of Taliban always remains the Haibatullah Akhundzada, who is the Amirul Mu'minin of Taliban, and he will decide the names who will head the government, who will be the face of the new Taliban government. All the powers will be centered with the supreme leader of Taliban, that is Haibatullah Akhundzada. He was asked to lead the government as the Taliban sources, but he has decided that the team which is capable of carrying the new vision of the Taliban to across the world, those people should be included in the government. 4 names which are surfacing so far in the new Taliban government. One is the Maulana Baradar, who was already in the Kabul for last so many days. Also the son of Mullah Omar, who is the founder of Taliban, Mullah Yaqub. He may be given the very important responsibility in new Taliban government. Third name is the the son of Jalaluddin Haqqani, Sirajuddin Haqqani, who is already leading the Brigade 313 force, which is currently giving the security to the Kabul airport, and also was providing security for the US troops outside the Kabul airport when US troops were inside the Kabul airport. He will be also given the important responsibility. Some sources say that he may be the new interior minister of Afghanistan, and also another name which is coming up is the Mullah Muhammad Ahmad Mohammadi. He is from Kandahar, probably he may be also given the responsibility.
So what you're telling us, Ashraf, is very interesting, that one, it is likely to be Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar, who is going to be leading the government, but we cannot forget that it is going to be Sheikh Haibatullah Akhundzada, who eventually will be seen as the supreme leader supervising the government. Ashraf Wani will be tracking all the latest. Remember, today is a big day. Afghanistan is likely to announce its new government in the country, and who will lead it, how will they do it, that is going to be very important, at least for the next few days.